Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can do hard reset in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings. Click on settings. Then you have to simply swipe down and here it is. You can see search button. Click on search button and here you have to type reset. After clicking on this, you can see here it is reset option. Click on reset option, click on erase all data. When you just click on erase all data, it will erase your Google account, system, app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other data, including your Gmail ID also. This is how you can do hard reset. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.